Welcome to the Full of Tracy Money Audio Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording, and it is 3:26 p.m. That is Central Time. Today is October 2nd. Well, we had quite the day today in terms of significant setbacks in several markets. But the big exception was that the Nasdaq was in positive territory, and that was most particularly true of the artificial intelligence shares. So Nvidia, for example, was up, and you continue to see that Microsoft and Google and Nvidia, they're doubling down on AI, regardless of what's happening in terms of interest rates. But 10-year yields were higher, JGB yields were higher. That's the chart we have in front of us right now. We have the Bank of Japan talking about the need to arrest the decline of the bond market, and expressing some willingness to intervene and do something about it. But they don't seem to be in a great hurry, and they're not committing a lot of capital to it. And China was closed today for the Mid-Autumn Festival holiday. But copper prices were down in a dynamic manner. Oil prices pulled back rather sharply. Uranium has had a fairly significant setback over the last couple of days. And then several of the commodity-related markets broke lower in here today, most particularly Canada, but then also South Africa, and then Norway hasn't been able to sustain its break higher. But Dubai is still powering ahead, and is still in a consistent advance. So certainly the Middle East is coming out in a stronger position at present relative to other markets. Then the Russell 2000 in the USA broke lower as well in here today. So the relative strength of the mega cap sector certainly hasn't preserved the small cap sector, and I think that is directly in response to the continued weakness that we're seeing in the government bond market. And then, of course, the US dollar was in sharply positive territory in here as well today. So certainly there's a lot to look at, and I thought that we'd kick off with Asia and make our way across the world in terms of looking at some of these markets.